Now, Maharashtra is witnessing a day-long bandh to support the victims of Lakhimpur violence case. Mumbai, Pune, Thane, Aurangabad and other big and small cities are currently witnessing a shutdown, which was called by the Maha Vikas Aghadi government in solidarity with the farmers. This bandh goes on till 4 p.m. Normal life has been affected with buses and taxis off-road. Sena workers are forcefully getting shops shut in Mumbai's Kurla West area. Mumbai's best buses, the BEST buses, were stopped after stone pelting incident. BEST in a statement has said that 9 buses were damaged. Shops and commercial establishments too are closed in Mumbai as well as other cities. Mumbai's lifeline, local trains are running as per schedule and there was huge crowd on the station. Metro 2 is running in full capacity. Essential services including hospitals, grocery shops are currently operating as normal. Congress workers will be taking out a Maun Rath to Raj Bhavan at noon. Additional police have also been deployed in Mumbai to avoid any untoward incident.
सरकार ने कोई स्थापना बंद नहीं किया है, लेकिन ड्राइवर और स्टाफ काम पे नहीं आए तो निश्चित रूप से गाड़ियां नहीं निकलेंगी और शांतिपूर्वक बंद है। कुछ जगह पे पत्थरबाजी की कोई बात सामने आ रही है, ये ठीक नहीं। इस तरह का कोई काम ना करें ताकि बंद में अलग तरह की खबरें आए। शांतिपूर्वक आंदोलन हो शाम तक, हम लोगों से मांग करते हैं।
बीजेपी जो केंद्र में बैठी हुए सब गुनहगारों को सत्ता में बिठाकर देश में लोगों को तबाह करने का काम कर रही है, उसका विरोध कांग्रेस कर रही है। और आज महाराष्ट्र में तीनों दल, शिवसेना हो, एनसीपी हो, कांग्रेस हो, मिलकर इस लोक भावना का आदर करते हुए इस बंद में शामिल हुए हैं। आप बोल रहे कि कहीं जबरदस्ती, ऐसी बात का कांग्रेस कभी समर्थन नहीं करती और जो भी गलती करेगा उसको कार्रवाई हो, ये भी मांग कांग्रेस करती है।
ढोंगीपणा करायचा आणि मीडिया अटेन्शन कॅच करायची, एवढंच यांचं काम आहे। हे सगळे मीडियाच्या पुढे बोलणारे लोक आहेत। जमिनीवर काहीच नाही, जमिनीवरचं दुःख पाहिलं नाही। मला सांगा, मराठवाड्याच्या शेतकऱ्याचे अश्रू पुसण्याकरता यांच्यापैकी कोणीतरी गेलं का? हे कोणी गेले नाही। पालकमंत्री देखील अर्धे गेले नाही आहेत। मुख्यमंत्री उपमुख्यमंत्री तर सोडाच, अर्धे पालकमंत्री त्या ठिकाणी गेलेले नाही आहेत। कशाचा बंद करताय?
The effects of Maharashtra Bandh can be seen in Mumbai. Since morning, there are very limited number of people on the road and also very limited number of cars. As you can see, the BST buses are also not plying on the road. You can see that there is police security at different places. The security is beefed up, at various points in Mumbai so that to avoid any kind of untoward incident. The shops and hotels are closed in Mumbai. In fact, the Traders Association earlier had said that they will not comply by the bandh, but later on Sunday night they decided that they will support this bandh and they will keep their shops shut for at least half a day, that is until 4 p.m. The shops will remain closed in Mumbai. There are only taxis as far as public transport is concerned. Auto rickshaws and taxis only are plying. And as we can see that, this area, which is the Mumbai CST area, it's comparatively less crowded. There are very limited number of people here. BJP, however, is not supporting this bandh. They are opposing this, saying that it is festival season and even one day of bandh can lead to economic losses, and that is why they are not supporting this bandh. In Mumbai with camera person Nitin Varne, this is Purva Chitnis for India Today.
Maharashtra Sarkar has called out for total bandh in Maharashtra. We can see how the situation is in Mumbai right now. Most of the shops are completely shut down. We are in the Mahim area and maximum shops in this particular area are completely shut down. The Hotel Association have also supported the bandh. They have said all the hotels in Mumbai will be closed till 4 p.m. Rest, all the shops are completely shut down. Here in the visuals you can see it's a morning peak hour, but the vehicle movement on road is very, very less. Also, there were chances that the protesters may try to stop the Mumbai's lifeline, that's the Mumbai local train, and therefore outside all the railway stations of Mumbai there is a bandobast by Mumbai police, and such is the situation right now in Mumbai. Most importantly, BST buses are not plying and therefore the local Mumbaikars are facing lot of problem to go to their offices and other work related things. So this is the situation right now. Also, most importantly, Auto rickshaws and taxis are also plying very less. So this is another problem which Mumbaikars are facing due to Bandh. With camera person Vijay Desai, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.